Quick Superior review. Can you guys earn passively with this platform, Superior? All-in-one trading, Forex, crypto, and more. Or is it just another horrible scam and Ponzi scheme? That's what we're going to find out in just a moment. If this is your very first time on this channel, make sure you find the subscribe button. Also click on the bell notification icon. That way you won't miss out on any of this interesting content that can serve you. On this channel, what I usually do as per request by my viewers is I review income opportunity systems, platforms, and training products at their request. So whether it's make money online or steer yourself away from a potential scam, this information can serve you. Also, at any time throughout watching this video, if you're looking for a way to create either active or passive income online for yourself, just go underneath this video and click on the first link below to my #1 recommendation. If you guys are looking for traffic, if you're promoting an affiliate marketing program or some kind of business opportunity online and you need highly converting traffic, you can get traffic underneath this video, second link below. So here we are, Superior and Superior.com. So on the outside looking in, it says think superior, trade superior. The future of trading starts here. Why Superior? The edge you need to win, according to these guys. Okay, they're winners. Lowest spreads ever, lowest spreads ever, lowest spreads ever. Start with 20% bonus. So these guys are claiming that they can give you a bonus up to $10,000. Access every market in one click. Okay, and they claim like they're dealing with gold, Ethereum, XPR, Bitcoin, Solana, X, USD Gold. A lot of very interesting stuff. And they have a MetaTrader 5 desktop app, MetaTrader mobile app, web terminal. And you can download that. Okay. Looks like they're asking for KYC. I would say be careful with this, because these guys are going to get your identification. Before we look at anything else on this website, I want to know, who the heck are these guys? Are they legit? Or is this just some other, fancy looking website? Okay, they claim that they paid out over $1 million to traders. 999,138 and rising. I don't know what that means. Because they're claiming that they paid out over $1 million. What is this 999,150? Is this members? Because that number should be higher if it's $1 million that they've already paid out over. These little things is what, I pick up on. You can get this app on Apple and Google. Just because it's there doesn't mean it's legit. There's a lot of scam apps that you guys can, download from Apple and Google Play, unfortunately. Let's go look at the domain registration. Privately registered back on June 20th, 2015. So an aged domain set to expire in 2027. Updated January 10th, 2025. They got Cloudflare enabled to protect them. Website statistics for the same website, Superior.com. Doesn't seem like they're getting much traffic, even though the domain has been around for so long. Now, this is what it used to look like. Back in 2014, Sheridan Web Design, My Facebook World, graphics, full custom site. Jose Sanchez, rising athletics star, up-and-coming football superstar, Jose Sanchez. So they were using the website for something else. Maybe they sold it, and whoever is operating it today, I'm guessing, I'd have to guess, changed it up. And now they're claim that they're dealing with trading in crypto. Let's see what else. Are there any licenses here for this broker? A lot of people who get, pitched this opportunity might take it up just because they think like we're getting $10,000 to, try this thing out. But be careful with that. That's a way to show you like big numbers on a screen based on some of the stuff that I've reviewed so far. I don't believe this year that they paid out over $1 million to traders so far because they're not even getting any website traffic currently to Superior.com. No results. No results. I'm sure there are some traffic going to it, but not enough to trigger statistics like website analytics for Superior.com. Like it's not showing anything. So I don't believe that. I don't believe this. I think it's BS. This is a limit for traders. Don't touch the line. Very exciting. How do I qualify for funding? To qualify for funding, you need to pass our evaluation process, which tests our trading skills and risk management abilities. The evaluation consists of meeting specific profit targets while adhering to our risk management rules. What markets can you trade? They offer all kinds of stuff: Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and more. What are the main... Okay, I'm not going to go through all this stuff. We're going to be here all day. What happens if I lose my money? If you guys lose your money in something like this, you're pretty well screwed. You might have some recovery expert who's going to scam you again because they can't get your crypto once you invest it. It's gone. No one can get it back. But you could potentially get scammed again if you get scammed here. So what happens if I lose my money? We have a strict management rules to protect both you and our capital. If you exceed the maximum drawdown limit, your account will be automatically closed. However, you can always try again by starting a new evaluation. To me, I'm thinking there's a load of, bullshit. I don't believe this. Looks like another scam website. I review these things all the time because people ask me to review it. High level of risk. I don't think they're seriously trading anything. I think they're trading people for crypto, right? That's my verdict. That's my personal opinion. I would say go out there. If someone presented this to you, then I would say go do your own due diligence and research. I'm just giving you my own opinions here based on research that I've done with the screen recorder, and I've already shown you here. And based on my experience, I see a lot of these websites, just a website. Anonymous experts here. Too many red flags for me to recommend this. Number one first red flag is, who are these guys? You're dealing with anonymous people, so that's a red flag. Second red flag, I'm not seeing any license with any security regulator out there. They should be licensed so that they are regulated, so that they're actually getting revenue from where they're claiming and not from like network marketing. I'm not seeing any network marketing comp plan link here or affiliate program, but I'm sure they do have one. Probably you can get one after you create an account. With these systems, usually it's free to join for network marketers, etc. But you can only earn referral commissions. Here you'd have to invest crypto, and they're not saying the minimum investment. Okay, so my verdict is it looks like another scam or Ponzi scheme created by unknown experts, and they're leading with this 20% deposit bonus. How these scams usually work are a lot of people get targeted through Telegram and WhatsApp. That's the new norm nowadays, and enticed to invest into this type of platform, and then they show you like big numbers on a screen with the app that you guys can get from Google or Apple. And when you try to withdraw in the beginning, they usually will pay you out the small returns of your own money. They give you back some of your own money to try and score some credibility. But when you try to withdraw the big amounts, the big numbers on a screen, that's usually when you end up in trouble, and they ask you for like more money, some extra fee, right? And then when you finally figure out you can't withdraw, they block you, and then they're on to the next victim, right? And some of you guys might get rescammed by some expert claiming, "Hey, we can recover your lost crypto," and they can't. They're just going to scam you again. Probably the same owners, for all you know, that are going to try and help you. Some of you might not believe. That's the website. If you don't believe, then you can try it out for yourself and learn by your own experience. It's usually the best way. I don't endorse it. I'm not a financial advisor. I think it's a straight up scam. But that's the way we got to do these reviews sometimes, because some of you guys are new to Ponzi's and don't believe. So that's the website. If you want to take a look, by all means, do so at your own risk. But take full responsibility for whatever happens to you. Don't get mad and say, "Hey, this so-and-so scammed us. How can we recover our funds?" You guys are adults. Hopefully enjoyed the content. For those of you who, are vibing with my message here today, hopefully you guys don't get scammed in the future. A lot of these investments that are open to the public are HYIPs, high yield investment platforms, that are targeting people who want to multiply their income with crypto. Sadly to say, every one of them that I've reviewed so far have turned out to be scams, and I've been reviewing them since 2017 on this channel, and doing reviews in general since 2013. If you're still looking for a way to create either active or passive income online for yourself, something legit, not a Ponzi, right? All those investment stuff, you guys are going to get scammed with. Unless you find a way to get legitimate, then I would say if you want to truly become an investor, go take a course. Take some of your money and learn by trial and error. Give yourself like a long-term plan, 5-year plan to learn. It's like creating an income-producing activity. That's not bad. There are like legitimate things, but you have to go and do searches on the internet. Don't just go for a third-party expert trader promising you guys, big money on a screen, unsustainable returns. For the rest of you guys looking for something else, you can check out my #1 recommendation underneath this video, first link below. And if you're looking for traffic, second link underneath this video. Thank you very much for watching and listening. I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.